Thank you for tuning in again this week. We got a lot of things going on. First and foremost, I got drywall, and we need to start putting it up. I put a little bit up already, and I want to show you. So this is the back side of it here, but what's going to be the kitchenette has gotten all the drywall is going to be getting. The ceiling is going to get some tongue and groove, but the main focus for today is for me to start this one. I cannot do the sides here quite yet because I need insulation for that too, but I cannot use this type of insulation in basement. I found out I have to use either the hardcore kind of insulation or the spray insulation. So I bought me some spray insulation. I'm waiting for it to arrive. But before that, I need to put a different kind of insulation in there that I can still use that type. And then I need to drywall it. So let's get to working. As you saw, I did some of the drywalling, or at least hanging drywall. I am down to this stuff. I need to insulate it, and I'm going to go ahead and kind of finish this part up. Then the rest of it, I'm just going to go, I think, right next to this one and just do all of this. And I think that's going to be it for the time being. It's Monday morning, and I'm back at it again. And what I need to do today is continue drywalling. I tried putting the first piece of drywall that was at the bottom, and it went pretty well, I think. One tiny issue that I can fix here in a second, but outside of that, I'm just going to continue on. But also, let me kind of give you a little bit of an update of what I'm going to be doing this week. Let me show you. So I got that in. It doesn't have any screws yet, but that plug is holding it in. Mistake I made was I put the box of that plug in a little bit too far, and so I need to get a little bit longer screws, and I think I have some. I won't be able to do any of this until Wednesday at least, because that's where the spray in foam is coming. Outside of that, I need to finish up a lot of other drywalling that I need to be doing, so stay tuned for that. before I go to bed. I'll just come back up and show you. So walls are in. So it's beginning to look real now. This is too thick to cover inside the wall. So I'm gonna kind of cheat and put like a little box around it. Also, I did finish up the wiring in the bathroom completely. So it goes up in here, up there. I'm gonna remove that light, that wire right there, and that one. They're gonna get lights whenever I get a ceiling. All right, yesterday I came to Amazon delivery. Let me get the door really quick. And I wanted to show you what I've gotten. So I've been waiting for this, and it's expensive. But I got it yesterday, and it is spray foam thermal sound insulation. It does, I think, 240 footboards, and I think that's going to be enough, maybe more than enough for the basement. The time is here to try the spray insulation. Let's see how it goes. That's going to be it for this week. This has been 24 hours, a little bit over 24 hours since he has cured, and so I could have filled it up a little bit more in some spots, but it's good the way it is. Unfortunately, I had a bit of an accident yesterday. I had my arm in a sling. I still do have to do that, but I took a bit of a break. So I'm going to work on it here most likely Monday, Saturday today. Try to heal up a little bit. I got a couple of stitches on my head. But anyway, thank you for watching this week. Like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications to keep up with what we're doing here. This project is beginning to come to an end. I can see the end, and I'm excited about it. There have been some changes that I'll have to make to my initial plans, but I'll tell you more about this stuff whenever you tune in for the next episode. Be blessed.